Your tax dollars tonight, it cost hundreds of thousands of dollars to prepare Governor Tim Walz for a congressional hearing in Washington, D.C.
Chief Political Reporter Tom Hauser was there for that hearing last month, and tonight he's following up, asking the governor about the price tag.
Governor Walz defends the spending of $430,000 in legal fees to prepare for that hearing. He told me he agrees the amount is ridiculous, but he blames Republicans in Congress who invited him and two other Democratic governors to testify so they could be publicly criticized about immigration.
Do you all solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Governor Walz appeared before the House Oversight Committee with governors of Illinois and New York to answer questions about immigration.
Minnesota legislature has passed no such bill making Minnesota a sanctuary state, and I have signed no such law.
Other than brief opening statements, the governors weren't given much time to respond. But Walz certainly should have been prepared. According to the Legislative Advisory Commission, the governor's office requested payment of $430,000 for legal services related to congressional hearing and testimony. In this memo first obtained by the Star Tribune, this transfer is to pay outside legal counsel for services rendered in preparation for the June 12th House Oversight Committee. Governor, can you understand why taxpayers might look at a $430,000 legal bill and think that that is excessive?
Yes, and they should be angry at those folks. There's no reason that we needed to be there. We provided all the documentation. We told them that.
Walz says the hearing was all about, quote, grandstanding, and he was given little time to respond to any question.
Do you agree with the Attorney General's guidance?
Congressman, what I would say on this is that Minnesota follows all law. I would say
it's a very easy question.
It's ridiculous. It's why we asked them to allow us not to have to be there. Certainly, I would tell you what, it's not where I wanted to spend money. It's not where I wanted to spend my time. And it certainly proved that there was nothing there other than using it as grandstanding.
Could you have used your own legal staff or the Attorney General's office at a much lower cost?
No, probably not. And they didn't have the expertise for this of what they were asking.
Now, there were also travel costs associated with that trip to Washington, D.C. At least 5 people were on the trip, including the governor, his general counsel, a communications aide, and 2 state troopers for security. The governor's office tells me the figures for those expenses are not yet available. Meanwhile, Republican House Floor Leader Harry Niska says in a statement, there appears to be no legitimate legal interest of the state in racking up nearly $500,000 in what amounts to PR consulting. At the state capitol, Tom Hauser, 5 Eyewitness News.